Hello, it's Kevin with American Farm Products, and today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install our combo oxygen barrier, and we will go over some key benefits at the end of this video. This crew did an excellent job installing our combo oxygen barrier on this drive-over pile of snaplage. They pulled down the roll down the one side here, as you can see, and then the front loader starts to back up, and I think one key point here to mention, as the front loader backs up, you'll notice that the crew begins to walk on the plastic, making sure that it stays down and doesn't get caught up by the wind. Also, you'll see the crew in the back folding back the plastic that we had just put down about 2 to 3 feet so we can make sure that we have a nice overlap in plastic. A big key to the plastic is it being seamed together on one side. You want to make sure that that seam of the plastic is faced towards the wind. Up next, we're going to take a look to see how the plastic unfolds. This schematic shows how the plastic is folded. The gray line represents the white-on-white plastic on top, and the yellow line represents the yellow 1.8 mil oxygen barrier underneath. Where the gray and yellow line meet in the middle is the seam side of the plastic. The crew on the left has the seam side faced towards the wind. The crew on the right is going to take the top layer of the white plastic and the bottom layer of the yellow plastic and walk backwards as the crew on the left pulls their side to the end of the pile. As you can see, this is very efficient and easy to pull apart, covering a large area in 2 layers very quickly. Here's a different angle of the same roll being installed from our drone. As you can see, the nice thing here is you never have to step on the oxygen barrier when installing our combo plastic. The crew on the top of the video is doing a good job making sure we have that 2 to 3 foot of overlap, and then they start to throw tires immediately, securing the plastic in place and from the wind. I wanted to show what happens when you don't put the seam side into the wind. As this crew begins to unfold the plastic, you'll see that they get what we like to call parachuting. But because we have the weight of the white on top, it doesn't get away from them and they are able to quickly recover and get the plastic to lay down. You'll see the guy in the red sweater do a great job here, constantly looking for that top layer of the white plastic, continuing to pull it tight and make sure that we get that right back over the yellow. And you can see it's pretty windy here. When I was out there, it was about 20 to 25 mile an hour winds, and it was knocking my drone out of the air. Okay, now we have seen how quickly and efficiently you can install our combo plastic. Now let's talk about some of our key benefits. Up top, we have a white-on-white 5 mil 9-layer strong plastic. It being white on white means that there's less heat drawn to the plastic during install for your crew and also for the feed. It also means that we're going to see less moisture underneath the plastic. The white on white is UV stable, meaning it won't break down due to UV rays like other plastics on the market. Underneath, we have a 1.8 mil yellow oxygen barrier that is 9 layers strong, just like the white on top. It is seamed together on one edge to allow for it to have maximum cling, but still to be a single application. The combo has an OTR of 2, which means it allows the least amount of oxygen to penetrate the forage on the market today. This truly is a major advancement in covering bunks and piles. Here is a list of all the sizes available in the combo plastic. It also shows the weight of the roll and how many rolls come on a pallet. For 40 years, we have been known to have an extremely high quality inoculant, ranging from an inoculant with 4 bacteria strains called Agricyle. Our flagship product, Silage Pro, contains all the bacteria benefits from Agricyle, plus an aggressive enzyme package to enhance fiber digestion. Our newest product, we took Silage Pro and added Buchnaride to it, creating Silage Pro 5-Day to reduce losses caused by heating. And now I want you to know that we truly have you covered from top to bottom. If you are interested in the combo plastic or any of our other products, please feel free to reach out to either me or any of our reps in your local market.